All right, hello. I'm gonna teach you guys how to access your science textbook and how to do the science assignments. First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go to Google. So you turn on the internet, you go to Google Chrome. You're gonna go to the waffle. This is the waffle. Click on the waffle. You're gonna scroll all the way down to the one that says STEM Scopes, SSO. You click on it, and with your Google account, it should take you there. And you're going to click on class, assignments, and all of your assignments are going to be right there. So these are the assignments that you're going to work on. You just click on it, follow the instructions, and you'll be able to do it. So that is how you will access the science work. So whenever you want to do science work, remember you go to the waffle, you're going to scroll down to STEM scopes, and it takes you here. Click on assignments, and you can start working on your assignments. So you work on it, and then you can start doing it. All right, let me know if you need anything else.